Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So your Queen Alice is here with another amazing review of Mary Sim. So before starting, I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment you make. So if you travel often or you are planning to trip soon, you probably know how annoying it can be to deal with SIM cards, roaming fees, and slow airport Wi-Fi. So guys, don't worry. Today I will show you how I stay connected anywhere in the world using Medi eSIM, a super easy digital SIM solution that takes less than 1 minute to set up. So, before using Medi, I used to hunt for SIM cards after landing and pay expensive roaming fees, swap physical SIM cards, and I was worried about losing my own one. So, but with an eSIM, everything is digital, no more swapping cards. No more searching for stores, no more waiting in line. If you have never used eSIM before, it's basically a virtual SIM that lives inside your phone. No physical card, no, just install and you have to just activate and you have to be online for this system. So let's have check out Medi eSIM traveling for work. No worries, stay connected anytime, anywhere at the press of one button. So here it can work in popular plans and it can work for most of the countries. And here is the plans. Here you can have a look for, and they have very reasonable price. And here you can check out their affordable price, and it's just starting from $2, guys. And here you can have eSIM for Singapore, South Korea, and here you can scroll out for United States, and you can download this eSIM to continue in 170 plus countries. Here is the process, and here you can check out. Here we have the local eSIM, region eSIM, and the global eSIM. So the process is very easy, guide. You have to just choose a plan, then you have to install and activate, and next you have to connect to your 4G and 5G. So how you can install and how you can use this eSIM, here is the entire process given. You have to just choose a plan, install and activate, and then you have to connect to the 4G. Thailand, here is the plan detail coverage, and it's valid for 7 days, and all packages have 30-day activation period. And here I can select. It's very easy. You just have to click on the plan you want to acquire and you want to activate. You have to just read out. It's the data eSIM valid for 7 days, and here you can check out its price. It's starting from, and to try out their local eSIM, region eSIM, and global eSIM, you firstly have to sign up, and it's a very easy procedure. Here you have to enter your name, email address, and password, and the invitation code. I will also provide you my referral code, and you will get some discount. So here you have to enter your nickname and all the credential, and then you have to click on sign. So, what is your next destination? So, here you can click, and here you can see their plan starting from just $2, guys, and you can enjoy 20% discount on first purchase. This is the best. So, here as I choose my South Korea as in my destination, and here it's valid for 7 days, and here the price in USDT is also given, and I will choose my plan, and now I will click on buy now. So you can pay with PayPal and Stripe, and here you can purchase and you can confirm your order, and just guys need to enter PayPal or Stripe. Do you want which you want for as a payment? You have to just click, and then you will select your plan. And here it's very simple how you can select your plan. I will also place my invitation code in my description. And here is my offer for if I invite one friend, 10% off, and two friend, 20%. And here I have to copy, and you can get your referral link in my description. You can copy, and you can easily get their global plan, and you can get discount from my referral code. So this is very amazing. They are offering single country, region, and global plan. So guys, they are just giving up you starting from $2. So this is very good if you travel a lot and want to have an easy internet solution. MediSim is definitely worth checking out, guys. So I will also place their link in my description. And if you have any problem and you want to know how you can join, how you can activate, you can join their Telegram account, and I will place their Telegram account in my description. So you can copy from the MediSim is perfect for travelers and backpackers, business trips, and cross-border workers that have to travel, or anyone who wants internet access at the moment they land. So it's very amazing to use eSIM, guys. It's very easy. And if you have still any question, you can ask in my DM section. And don't forget to use my referral code, my crypto enthusiast. You will have sign up to get 30% off, and there you can have my referral link. I will place in my description. Must join your community to get updated. How was the video? Please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.